Hello, my name is Sharon.
My name is Grant. I'm Michael Elridge.
And I'm going to show you how to titrate today. The whole titration enables us to find the concentration of an unknown base or acid. So we'll use the volume that we found plus the mass that we recorded at the beginning of the experiment, and using that we can find the concentration. This is a burette. It has been primed. That means that I've rinsed it with water 3 times and rinsed it with the solution that I'm titrating with 3 times too. So that solution in this case is sodium hydroxide.
Making sure to get eye level so we can properly read the meniscus from the lowest point in that dip. And our initial volume seems to be a 1.99.
0.92. I'm measuring from the meniscus.
My initial volume is 0.83. So I go ahead and record it in my notebook. So this, I'm doing trial 1 and my initial volume is 0.83. Since I wanted it to be at eye level, I can, and I've already finished measuring the initial volume, I can go ahead and raise the burette higher so that I get enough space to put the flask.
So we've added the KHP plus, we've added about 50 milliliters of water. We've also added our indicator. So the solution is going to change color when we have delivered the right amount of NaOH.
And start titrating. So we need to titrate until we see a persistent light pink color. So before then we keep titrating.
Begin to
So now that I've started seeing a light pink color, I need to be really careful. And this time make sure that the drops are smaller. This is the persistent light color, light pink color, so that means our solution has reached one endpoint, and this is good.
solution has turned slightly pink. That's just what we want. So we have the final volume that we record. We'll be able to figure out the volume delivered, and that will allow us to figure out the molarity of the solution.
And now it's consistently a pink color. Now that we have our final volume, which is 26.98.
Our final volume is going to be 34.11.
We can go ahead and get the final volume. So in this case, I need to make sure I'm at eye length with the meniscus, and my final volume is 36.40. So now that we found that our final volume is 36.40, we go ahead and record it in our notebook. 36.40. Remember to record to 2 decimal places. And so our volume delivered will be the difference between the final volume and the initial volume. And this is 35.57.